Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the NOROCME 192-piece cable management kit. This comprehensive kit offers a complete solution for taming your tangled cords and cables. It includes everything you need to organize your workspace, from computer desks to entertainment centers. We're talking 4-wire organizer sleeves, long enough to neatly bundle multiple cables, plus 35 cord clips and 11 cord holders for extra support. There are also 2 rolls of self-adhesive cable straps, offering flexible, reusable fastening options and 100 additional cable ties for those hard-to-reach spots. The kit even boasts 20 cable zip tie mounts for extra secure placement. The clips are made from a durable, eco-friendly material, ensuring long-lasting performance. They're designed to adhere to a variety of surfaces, including desks, walls, and baseboards. With both black and transparent options, you can customize your setup to blend seamlessly with your existing decor. Installation is a breeze. No tools or messy adhesives are required, just peel, stick, and organize. Plus, the sleeves are split, making it super easy to load your cables. This kit is perfect for keeping your cables not just organized, but protected. It even helps deter pets from chewing on your wires. This cable management kit is available at a reasonable price, offering incredible value for such a comprehensive collection of organization tools. So, ditch the cable chaos and transform your workspace into a haven of neatness and efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews.